What's up? It's Kayla. Welcome back to my channel and welcome to a introduction to my massive sneaker collection. Collecting sneakers is something I've done for years and I honestly love it, but it's not something I've talked about on my channel before, so I'm very excited for this video. And also, who doesn't love a good organization cleaning video? So behind me is the mess that we are about to tackle. I have tried many different methods for storing my sneaker collection. I have a lot of shoes in my closet too, and it's a mess in there, so I'm just gonna leave that alone for now. But the shoe racks I have behind me were one of the only things I could find on Amazon that fit like a large amount of shoes. The problem is one of them is broken. You can't tell right now, but I'm gonna get closer in a minute. And it was just like one morning I woke up and it was on the floor, like it literally just fell over. So I just decided that I needed to invest in good sneaker storage. I don't have any more space, and the conclusion I came to was kind of the only one that made sense, and it is to buy expensive clear shoe boxes. You're also a sneakerhead, you've probably seen them on Complex or on other sneaker channels, and they are, thank you to my best friend Kaylina. So she just brought me one. So these clear shoe boxes, which as you can see I already put a pair of sneakers in to test them out, they cost, I believe for a pack of 6, they were on sale for like $45. They might be closer to $50 on a normal day. But yeah, so these are from the Container Store, and I did my research. I watched a bunch of YouTube videos about these boxes specifically to make sure that what I was spending my money on was going to be worth it. So I went ahead and placed the order for 5 packs, so that's 6 times 5, 30, oh shit, what is that, 35? 30, I'm like, what the f? I don't know math at all. Even I was like, that's okay. That's what we edit things for. Anyway, excuse my bad math skills. So I have 30 shoe boxes that I ordered, and they are in these massive, huge boxes. And I actually took a quick video clip when they first came in the mail. So here's that. Okay, the boxes just came in the mail, and there is so many big A boxes. As you guys can see, I am stoked, and this is a long time coming, and it is time it is time for me to organize at least most of my sneaker collection. 30 boxes is not going to fit them all, obviously, but it is going to be a great start, and it will get this broken shoe rack out of my room, so yay. Okay, so here's a better look at my current sneaker situation. So this one right here is literally leaning, it's falling over. When I bought them, they were like not a bad idea because they hold so many shoes, but I also don't love the way they look because it has the soles facing out, and obviously soles are like kind of dirty. So like you can see the bottom of my Yeezys are like a little gross, and they're right next to my bed. So basically I really want a cleaner, nicer way of doing this, and that's why we got the clear shoe boxes. Yay. All right guys, so game plan is I'm going to take the shoes off of this broken shelf, get that out of here, and yeah, just start filling the clear shoe boxes. Okay y'all, step 1 is complete. We have, this rack is empty and it's just so struggling. Ooh, it wants to fall over so bad. Yeah, that boy is ready for the trash. That's okay though. So here is my shoes all over my floor, looking ridiculous. I honestly wish I had enough boxes now to do this one too, but that's okay. We'll get to it eventually. Okay guys, it's pretty dramatic. I'm about to fill it with shoes. And then we'll see what it looks like. Okay, I'm thinking I'm gonna start with the Jordans in number order at the top. So I don't really wear my like 1, 2, 3s, 4s. I don't really wear them that often. I know ones are like a lot of people's fave, but I actually don't wear them that much. So I think I'm gonna start with those at the top so I don't have to go and grab them all the time. Hey guys, so it's actually been a few weeks now since I first filmed, and I was planning on doing like a part 2 video, but since my boxes came in early, I decided to just add it onto this video. So I've basically just been loving my display so far, and I decided to get more boxes and get rid of like this situation here. I also have some more like hidden shoe boxes around my room, so I really want to like get it all together and turn it into like a full dramatic sneaker wall. So the rest of the boxes came in this week. So here's some, and then there's 2 more over here. So I have 4 more packs, which is 24 boxes, and yeah, I'm gonna have to move all the boxes from this side from one side of the room to the other side of the room, because I just literally don't have enough space on that side to fit all the boxes. It's gonna be super dramatic, and it'll probably be dark by the time I'm done, but I will update you guys in a little bit about my crazy shoe wall progress. Alright guys, it definitely took me all night, but I finished rearranging my room, and I finished the shoe wall. It looks great. I'm super excited, and yeah, all that's left is to give you guys a final look at my new shoe wall. And once again, these boxes come in packs of 6, and they are from the Container Store. If you have any other questions, let me know down in the comments, and I'd be happy to answer them. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, of course. Let me know if you want to see some more sneaker content. It's definitely something I'm going to be doing more of, so let me know specifically what you'd like to see. And I will catch y'all in the next video. Peace out, homies.